And the private sector is stepping up to support recovery efforts in the wake of the hurricane. The private sector organization of Jamaica, PSOJ, is working alongside the government to provide much-needed resources and assistance to communities affected, helping to strengthen relief efforts and bring aid to the impacted parishes.
First area is we have to support the JDF in their build-out of the hub and spoke that the Prime Minister spoke to in terms of the relief distribution aid. Providing logistics support, warehouse space, we have provided warehouse space, we have provided equipment, trucking, transportation, as they build out this multi-purpose distribution model across Jamaica. As I said, we're mobilizing for access, chainsaws. We're bringing in chainsaws because we don't have enough chainsaws and there are no more chainsaws in Jamaica. Earth-moving equipment to open up roads and access to the maroon communities. The private sector groupings under the leadership of Mitra Siaga, Catherine Silvera, and Emile Leiber have set up an emergency operations center with the help of Lisa Suarez-Lewis to coordinate the efforts to, one, as a primary objective, to get businesses back up and running and economic activity going. So working in tandem with everybody who is out there doing the work and clearing roads, getting light back in, getting water back in, the private sector is toe-to-toe working that through. And I'd like to acknowledge the leadership of the private sector who is here, Mr. Mitra Siaga. The PSOJ, JME, and the JCC have joined forces to establish a tax-free donation fund along with the Council of Voluntary Social Services to purchase care packages on behalf of for our brothers and sisters who are in these communities.